Hello guys! Do you want a Headless and Korblox leg like I have? Haha, joke's on you, because this is not even real Korblox and Headless. That looks so convincing, right? In this video, I'm gonna show how to get them for very cheap. And the best part is, like other fake Headless, you don't have to wear a hair on top to blend the head. So let's get right on to the tutorial. So first go to the marketplace. When you are in the marketplace, search pencil death speaker. Select the first one. It's created by Supple. It's also being off sale soon, so get it fast. See, there is no leg there.
Spend the footage of buying to X now.
See, it looks so real. So that is how you get the Korblox leg. I'll show you how to get the fake Headless in part 2. So like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. And also turn on notifications so that you can get notified when I post part 2. I'll be linking them in description when I post. Thank you for watching and have a good day.